Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing a model from Revell USA. The model is a 68 Dodge Charger RT Special Edition which I bought online, and here we will find out together if it's worth buying it or not. As you can see on the box, the model can be built in two versions with two different engines. I like this kind of kit because you will always have a second engine and a few spare parts to use for a different project. At first look and touch, I can say that the tires are not the best quality, but they are usable. Clear parts are looking good, but a minus is that the door glass is missing, and this can be a bit problematic if the model is not stored in a clear case, as dust will fill the interior in time. Inside this bag, I can see the body of the model car along with its chassis, interior bay, and several engine parts. The body looks great with minimal molding lines, but the rest of the sprues are in Revell standard, so some parts may require more attention. In this bag, I can see a set of white wheels and more engine parts. And now we have the chrome parts. Here I have a set of hubcaps from the wheels, or at least that's what it looks like. Next, we have a set of chromed wheels and a few engine parts. In the last bag, I see the front bumper together with the grille, rear bumper, and another set of wheels. This is the third one, windscreen wipers, and a few more parts. These are the decals that we can use to build the model in different ways. I'll use some of them for this project and keep the rest for future ones. They look great and will add a realistic touch to the model. The last thing I found in this box is the assembly manual. It contains all the necessary information for building this model. The manual includes instructions on where to glue parts and where not to, color codes, required tools, and other useful information. It is highly recommended to read the manual thoroughly before starting the assembly process. Now that the box is empty, I would like to thank you all for watching to the end and invite you to subscribe if you like my content. This encourages and motivates me to create more and better videos on this topic. Thank you again and see you soon.